a beautiful morning here today. Things are starting to warm up. Looks like it's the frost that we had is starting to burn off. So I'm going to go down and check the beans and go through the combine real quick. I've got a couple grease fittings I got to hit and just kind of go through it, make sure everything looks okay on it. And then before too long, hopefully we get started. All right, let's take a look at these. It looks, oh yeah, they're going to be definitely a ways away yet. Probably be a couple hours. Got to wait until that pod gets pretty crunchy so they come out. I'm going to try this new Milwaukee grease gun that I got. So I have tried other battery powered grease guns and I just have not had any luck. I've seen several people have these, so I thought I'd give it a shot and kind of see how it works. This thing is pretty good. I mean, it works perfectly. So it's better than any other one that I've ever had. So thumbs up on the Milwaukee grease gun. I'm gonna head down the road and see if the beans are ready to go yet. It's been pretty sunny, kind of blowing a little bit of wind, so I'm gonna go down and give it a try. All right, back into beans here. Man, I don't know if that lens is dirty or not, but I'll see what I can do to try to clean that up. Beans are running pretty good here. All right, the combine's full, the grain truck's full, and so I'm gonna shut things down here, take the grain truck home, dump it into the bin, and be back to combining. That's my mom. She helps out from time to time, moving me around. Pulled into the field here and I'm stuck. Believe it or not, that's the only second time I've ever been stuck in that truck. So I'm beginning to think people that have YouTube channels get stuck a lot. that's all there's going to be for today. It's about midnight, just a little after midnight. The dew stayed off the beans, so I was able to get quite a bit of beans done tonight, which is good because it's not too late, but it's starting to get a little late. I'd like to start getting some corn done, so it's nice to get a bunch of these beans taken off the field. I'll probably take this load into Columbus tomorrow. The bin is getting close to being full, so I'm probably going to run out of room. So I'll head first thing in the morning to Columbus to dump this there. So thanks for watching. If you like the content, go ahead and like and subscribe the video. I appreciate it, and until next time.